धन धन सदगुरु तेरा ही आसरा। हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल एंड दिस वीडियो। तो फ्रेंड्स, जैसा कि आप सब जानते हैं कि आज 18 मार्च है, 18 मार्च है और आज सीबीएसई बोर्ड का कंप्यूटर एप्लीकेशन का एग्ज़ाम था जिसका कोड है 165। तो आज हम इस एग्ज़ाम को सॉल्व करने वाले हैं। तो चलिए सॉल्व करते हैं इस एग्ज़ाम को, क्योंकि एग्ज़ाम काफ़ी लंबा है तो जल्दी से स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो section A, which is about MCQs. So first question is, Arun is sending an email to his office. Which protocol out of the following options will be used for the purpose? तो फ्रेंड्स, इसका आंसर है SMTP, whose full form is Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. So this is the right answer. Next one is, which of the following is not an e-reservation portal in India? So friends, four choices are again there, but right answer is Amazon.in. So Amazon.in is the right answer because this is a shopping site, so that's why this is the right answer. Which of the following attributes is not a valid attribute of the font tag in HTML? तो आप सब जानते हैं कि there are three attributes that work inside the font tag: face, size and color. So automatically type is the right answer because type attribute is never used inside font tag. So next one is, what is the full form of FTP? So again a very simple question. So answer is file transfer protocol. So option A is the right answer. So fifth question is, which of the following attributes is not a valid attribute of the body tag in HTML? So again, all of you know that width is never used inside body tag. Width is mostly used inside img tag or video tag or hr tag, and there are so many other tags where you can use width like table. So D is the right answer. So let's move to the next question. Select the correct option to fill in the blank. A dash is an online platform or website where individuals or businesses regularly publish articles known as posts on various topics. तो फ्रेंड्स, आपको उस वेबसाइट का टाइप बताना है जहां पर रेगुलरली पर्सनल इंडिविजुअल्स और बिजनेसेस अपने आर्टिकल्स पोस्ट करते हैं। तो दैट इज़ ब्लॉग. सो ब्लॉग इज़ द राइट आंसर, एज ऑल ऑफ यू नो दैट पोस्ट आर मोस्टली posted on the blogs. So the next one is, the default value for the type attribute of an unordered list in HTML is dash. So आपको यहाँ बताना है कि कौन सा डिफ़ॉल्ट वैल्यू है जो आप अनऑर्डर्ड लिस्ट में टाइप एट्रीब्यूट्स के साथ यूज़ करते हो. सो डिस्क इज़ द राइट आंसर. सो बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट इफ़ यू डोंट राइट एनी वैल्यू इन द टाइप एट्रीब्यूट और डोंट यूज़ टाइप एट्रीब्यूट, ऑटोमेटिकली disks are created. So next question is, which of the following is not a search engine available over the internet? So as of all of you know, Diksha is the right answer because Diksha is an app launched by CBSE. So this is a CBSE portal rather than a search engine. So next one is, which of the following option is a network protocol that enables secure and encrypted file transfers between a client and a server? So यहाँ बात हो रही है कि आप सिक्योरली फाइल को कैसे ट्रांसफ़र करोगे. So FTP protocol is mostly used for transferring files, and for transferring the files safely we use SFTP. So the next one is, which is the 10th one and the last MCQ, which of the following options will set the font family of all paragraph to Arial? So here A is the right choice because in the B choice syntax is wrong, in the C choice it is a shorthand property, and in the D choice there is no such property, font type. So let's move to the next question, which is question number 11, and it is about assertion and reasoning. So the question number 11 is, FTP is a networking protocol used for transferring files. So friends, all of you know that FTP is a networking protocol used for transferring files, so this is true. And the next reason is FTP is used when we want to view some data from a website. So this is wrong because HTTP protocol is used when we want to see some data from any website. So its right answer is C. So C is the right answer for question number 11. So let's move to the question number 12. SMS is an acronym for Smart Message Service. So friends, it is false because its full form is Short Message Service. And the next one, so by default its answer becomes D, but let's complete the question. The reason is SMS is the most common technology for delivering short, concise, and important messages quickly. So yes, this is true because we use SMS for sending the messages quickly and they are short in size. But the assertion is false and reason is true. So its answer is D. So let's move to the next question, which is question number 13. What is a digital property? Write any two examples of digital property. So friends, the right definition of digital property is like it refers to anything that is in digital form, any information which is in digital form, either online or in any electronic storage media device may be considered as digital property. So now we have to give two examples of digital property. So two examples are website names and email accounts. Both these are the examples of digital property, and so many other examples are also there, like the photo captured by your mobiles are also digital property. Anything you save in your pen drive in digital form like videos and any document is also an example of digital property. So now let's move to the next question, which is question number 14. What is e-shopping? So e-shopping is simple terms, anything that we buy online, anything that we buy online is considered as e-shopping. So here the mode of buying is online or through electronic medium. So its full form is electronic shopping. Write name of any two commonly used e-shopping portals. So this is also very simple. Flipkart and Amazon are the two very popular e-shopping portals which you can write. So the or part is, the P part or O part is what is a social network? Write name of any two popular social networking sites on internet. So friends, what is social network? So social network is a website or a network where you can interact with the other persons. And next part is write name of any two popular social networking sites. So Facebook and Instagrams are the two popular social network sites which you give as an example here. So the next question is which is true and false. State whether the following statements are true or false. So the first question is H1 is the highest level of heading and H4 is the lowest level of heading in HTML. So H1 is obviously the largest level of heading. It's rank 1 heading, but H6 is the lowest level of heading. So this is not right. So this answer of this question is false. So next one is a visited link is purple colored by default in HTML. Yes, it is true. It is purple color. So this is the true. This part is true. So next question is the character hash is used to start a comment text in HTML. No friends, this is not right because hash is used inside CSS as a ID selector. The answer to this option is false. So the next one is B is an empty tag in HTML as it does not need to be closed. So again friends, this is false because all of we know that B is a container tag. It is not an empty tag, so it has a closing tag, so its answer is false. So the next question is question number 16. Write the HTML code to create a link to the web page having URL as www.festivals.com/india/diwali.html, and the condition is the mentioned page should get opened in a new window or tab on clicking the text festivals. Let's write its code. So we have already planned a page, write some code for it. So as all of you know that a tag is used for making anchors, so a tag will be used, and we have already copied the name of site, and for opening the page in a new tab we should use the target attribute, and next one is festivals. So this is the right answer, friends. uh, so let's move to the next part. Next part is or part. uh, Write the HTML code to display the following line of text in bold and italics. So happiness is not by chance but by choice. So again we use the same code, same page to write the code. Happiness is not by chance, it is choice. It is by choice. So we have to enclose this text inside b tag and I tag because we want to make the tag as bold and italic as well. So this is the right code we can write for this question. So next question is write the HTML code. So next question is write the HTML code to set the background color of the web page as blue. So again friends, the question is very simple. Just go to the body section and write an attribute bz color and give its value as blue. So now let's move to the next question, which is question number 17. Write the purpose of the following tags. So friends, all of you know कि BR tag, why BR tag is used. If I want to write this text Rohin Kumar, but I want to write Kumar on the next line, then I should use BR tag in between Rohin and Kumar. So Kumar will be shifted to the next line. So BR tag break the line, or you can say it shift the text after BR to the next line. So next part is what is the use of DL tag. So all of you know that DL tag is used to make definition list. So here we can also write the code of DL tag. Inside DL tag we should write DT, and for example we want to write the definition of distance, and we will also provide its definition description, like it is the gap between 2 points. So this is the use of definition list. We can use definition we can use DL to make lists of definitions. So let's move to the next part. So next question is an incomplete CSS code within the head section is given below. Complete this code by filling the blanks as per the specification that follows. So friends, आप देख सकते हो head section given है, style tag given है. So in this style tag we will write some pieces of code. So instructions for the code is given below. So line 1, page background color should be yellow. So we will write here, so it should be background color hyphen yellow. And in the next one we will write according to line 2, color of the paragraph should be red. So color colon red. So the next one is font family of the paragraph should be Arial. So we will write font family here, font minus family should be Arial. And in the line 4, the section biggest heading should be blue in color. So biggest heading section should be H1. So it is a type selector. So we will write here H1. So this is the right answer. Background minus color yellow, color colon red, font family colon Arial, and H1. So let's move to the next part of the same question, which is the OR part. So the next part is the following HTML code is expected to create an order list for a page. So let's write its code. Instructions are given below. Background color of the web page should be yellow. So the background color of should be yellow. So we will write here BZ color. So we will write here BZ color, and let's read next instruction. Font for the paragraph should be Helvetica. Font for the paragraph should be Helvetica, so it should be face, the name of attribute we have to write here. And the next line is 3 and 6 line, third and sixth line, and order list should start and end. So we will write here OL tag, and we will close it with OL tag. So next one is fourth and fifth line is listing of the order list items, and as all of you know that li tag is used to list the items of the list. So any list, so li tag, we should write li tag in these blank spaces. So this is the proper code we should write. So BZ color, face, OL, LI, closing LI, OL, LI, closing LI, and closing OL. So this is the right answer, friends. So friends, next question is write any two differences between web server and web client. So it is very simple question. What is web server? Web server stores the pages for you and also deliver the pages to you. And on the contrary side, web client initiate the web request and also displayed the page sent by the web server. So let's move to the section C. Now from here on we will get all the questions of 3 marks. So the question number 20 is the following HTML statements are not written properly. Rewrite the correct statements with underlined corrections. The desired purpose of each statement is mentioned under it. So the body image equal to background.jpg. So page background should display the image named background.jpg. So friends, here you can see that we are using the wrong attribute. We should use the attribute background equal to background.jpg. So this is the right answer. And in the next, font height equal to 5. So there is no attribute named height in font tag. So we should write instead of height we should write, I will write the full tag for you. Font size equal to 5. So this is the right answer. And here in this section, instead of text we should write alt equal to an image. So here name of attribute is wrong, as we are asked that image source should be img.jpg and its alternate text should be img. So alternate text is shown by alt attribute rather than the text attribute. So this is a wrong attribute. So next one is give the full form of TCP/IP. So the full form of TCP is Transmission Control Protocol, and its full form is Internet Protocol. And the full form of SSH is Secure Shell. So this is the full form of SSH. Okay, so This is the full form of SSH, and this is the full form of TCP/IP. So next one is, consider the given URL http www.mypage.com. So friends, the question is given that is it a secure website? No, it is not a secure website. Justify your answer, because we haven't tried HTTPS. So we should write it as HTTPS rather than HTTP. So this is the right answer. Here we should write HTTPS rather than HTTP. And the next question is, explain how to insert an audio on a web page using audio tag. Give an example to support your answer. So for this we will write a code displaying how to write audio tag. So we will write audio controls, and next is the source tag src equal to audio.mp3 and type equal to audio/mpeg. Okay, and now let's close audio tag. So this is the proper code for audio, and let's move to the next part. Akhil, an entrepreneur, has made some videos for marketing purpose. He wants to create a web page and share these videos to increase the customers on the online platform. Help Akhil to do the same with the given instructions. Use HTML to put a video products.mp4. So this is the name of our file. So we will write another code with the video tag. Same method is used, video controls, and let's read some conditions which are given here. Those are given here. The video should autoplay and its size should be 400 and 300 in width and height. So width should be 400 and height should be 300, and it should autoplay. And now we will mention the source of the file. Source src equal to products.mp4 and type equal to video/mp4. So this is the complete code of this question. Okay friends, now let's move to the next part. So question number 23 is, write the suitable HTML statements to display the following text on a web page. CAOH2. Okay, so now we will have to use sub tag for this. So OH, and here we will write sub to and sub. So this is the answer of first part. The second part is 2a square plus b square. So let's write it also. 2a sup, we will use a sub tag to write it, sub plus b 2, sub and 2. So this is the complete code for this. So this is the answer of second part. So now let's move to the next part. Give any one advantage of CSS. So friends, as all of you know that CSS separates the designing part from the structural part. So CSS provides separation of designing from the HTML page. So this is the main and one advantage of CSS. So write the HTML code to design the web page given below. So friends, we have to write the code of this page. So let's move to our code editor, and we have already written code for it and we have pasted it here. So you can see this is the answer of this question. So you can see this is the answer of this question. Form, first we will make input type equal to text. Next we will make gender input type equal to radio, name equal to gender. Next we will make input type equal to radio, gender, name equal to gender, and then we will start stream, which we will make by select tag, and then in the last we will use two check boxes for English and Hindi subject and Hindi language, and last one we will make a button which is submit button by input type equal to submit. So this is the code of this question. So let's move to the next question. Write the code to design the web page as shown below. So the code is table, and we will write first row, we will make first row tr, and the next one in this row we will write td January 2025, and we will use the call span here of 2, call span 2, because it is equal to 2 columns, so call span 2. And next we will make next row tr. So this is the heading, so it should be th, name, and attendance. And let's move to the next row tr, td, abha, and td present. Let's copy it and paste it, and now it is for Alok, and he is absent. So as usually boys always remain absent mostly. Just kidding. And last one is TD teachers Mr. Anuj. So this is the code of this program, this question. So here is the code. So you can see this is very simple. So now let's move to the next question, which is the case study question. And there are two case study questions. Number one is Sujata is a class 10th student, has to submit her project work to her teacher. She uses the internet to find the content related to her project work and prepares her document by copying the content into her submissions. With respect to the given case study, answer the following questions. So number one question is, what is the name of the act Sujata has committed by copying the content from internet to her projects? So the answer is plagiarism. So plagiarism is the act she has done by copying the content. So the content available over the internet which Sujata is copying could be another person's digital property. So it is a digital property. So next one is to copy someone else's content from the internet. It is not considered as good behavior. What is the term used for good behavior that should be followed on the internet? So it is netiquettes. As all of you know, netiquettes is the term used for such kind of things. Sujata is violating the IPR of the original content creator. Expand the term IPR. So the full form of IPR will be intellectual property rights. So now let's move to the next question, which is our last question, which is 26th. Jessica runs a small graphic design company called ABC Vision. To save money, she decided to use a pirated version of the popular design software instead of buying a licensed software. Her legal advisor told her to go to an open software license instead of pirated software. What is open source software? So friends, open source software is a software with a free source code. So she can edit the code and redistribute the software, or give any two examples of the open source software. For particular this example, we can use GIMP and Linux as an example. Mention any two advantages of open source software. Number one advantage is they are free to use, and number second advantage is they are customizable, so you can edit them according to your needs. And the last one is define the term software license. So what is the software license? It is a legal agreement to use that particular software. So, or anything in the world you want to use should have a license. For example, if you want to open a shop, this should have a license. If you want to drive a car, a bike, truck, you should have a license. So most of the cases in real life also you should have a license. So the same case applies to the softwares. So license should be there to use the software, run the software. So this was the solution of this exam, friends. So hopefully you like this video. If you like the video, please share, like and subscribe our video, and we will keep presenting you more such videos on study and other things. So thanks for watching this video, friends. We will see you in another video or next video. Thank you.